Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save a photo from Instagram while using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it even easier to save your favorite images directly from your computer. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can start building your own collection of saved photos in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features. Once you're in, take a moment to browse through your feed or search for the photo you want to save. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific accounts, hashtags, or locations if you already have something in mind. When you find the photo you want to save, take a closer look at the icons below the image. You'll notice a small bookmark-shaped icon, which is the Save button. It's usually located on the right side, just below the photo. Hover your mouse over it and click once. The icon will fill in, indicating that the photo has been successfully saved to your private collection. If you want to view your saved photos later, simply go to your profile by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. Then look for the Saved tab, which is represented by the same bookmark icon. Here, you'll find all the photos you've saved, neatly organized and ready for you to revisit anytime. Saving photos on Instagram's PC app is now faster and more convenient than ever. Whether you're collecting inspiration, keeping track of memories, or just bookmarking posts you love, this feature is designed to make your experience smoother. That's all it takes. Just open the Instagram app, find your photo, and click the Save icon. Give it a try and start curating your favorite moments right on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.